Hi, this is Lee from VR360. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to download a map offline in Google Maps. So if you're traveling to Orlando and you don't have sat-nav or you don't want to use your mobile data, this can save you quite a lot of money because you don't have to hire one from the car hire companies either. So basically what you need to do, download Google Maps onto your phone, open it up, and then go into the search bar at the top, as we've done there, put in Walt Disney World. And then if I just pan back out, or zoom out, to cover the area that I think I'm going to be needing to drive around in. So I'm going to go quite wide here, like that. So that's covering pretty much all of Orlando, Tampa, and the airports. Now all you do is go up to the little burger menu on the left, click Offline Maps, and then click on Custom Map. And there we go, it creates a little area that I'm going to download, and at the bottom there it tells me the size of the map. Now if I know I'm not going anywhere near Daytona or Tampa, then I can zoom in to this area here. Let's say that will cover the airport, Sanford, Orlando, and then I can just do like that. And now it's telling me it's 600 megabytes to download that. So now I hit download, and that will go off and download the map. I can also click on the right hand side here and give it a name. So I'm going to call it Orlando. Hit save. Now that's downloading, and it'll automatically update whenever you're on Wi-Fi. So the next thing you need to do, obviously when you get to Orlando, is make sure that you turn off your mobile data on your phone, launch Google Maps, and then just use it like you would normally. It will actually just use the map in the background. Now the map lasts for 29 days and then it deletes. So obviously if you're going for a couple of weeks, do this just before you go and then you'll be covered. So the map's just about to finish downloading, which is great. There we go, 99%, 100, there we go. So download is complete, just use maps normally, even when offline. Now to show you how this works, I'm just going to go in and turn off. There we go. So I've turned my phone off completely. So I've got no Wi-Fi and no data, no nothing. So now I'm just running on the Google Maps download. So if I now let's put in Disney Springs. It will zoom in. Okay, so it's zoomed right in there. And now if I want directions, let's say I want to go to the Florida Mall from Disney Springs. I can select that, and there we go, it's created the directions, and then I just hit preview and start. So it works really well, and as I said, it'll save you a lot of money hiring a sat-nav from the car hire companies or taking one with you. A lot of cars that you hire these days have got it built in anyway, so I would never recommend hiring one and until you get in the car, just in case it's already got it all built in and up and running. So hopefully that will help you.